stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Today, guys, we're gonna be eating pot brownies and smoking blunts. Can we zoom in a bit? I mean, it's a makeup tutorial. We gotta swoosh our baby hairs first. Then my hair is just in a ponytail for now. We're all the way over here, but it's
You want to
okay.
be in the middle?
It's okay. No, let's just be here. Let's be here. A lot of people really have this modern Renaissance palette, so we could use this today. Yeah, today we're gonna do our brows first. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to eat one. I've already had some for the day. Personally, the brownies that I like the ones out the edges because they're nice and crunchy. And they're so good. You were my cameraman, you'd be fucking fired.
Applebee's.
With open enrollment around the corner,
Applebee's. With open enrollment. So I normally don't talk on my brows because I'd be trying to get them in there. Where are your headphones, Gavin?
My headphones are
Not on your head.
Beats by Dre, Bluetooth, optional. And my wife stole my cord to charge her camera.
Oh my gosh. You could really taste the weed in them.
Yeah.
We made them. We didn't know how much weed to put in there, so we put a lot in there. And, When does the bleezy come around? When does the bleezy come around? When does the bleezy come around?
Never.
Alright, eyebrows are fierce. I'm gonna go in with what I always go in. NARS Soft Matte. Outline the bottom brow. You could outline the top. It's really up to you.
Pussy in your face, that'll put you in your place. Boom. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. Bitch. I got calls, I got
So now let's just put some of this on our base. What color is this? Yeah, no, not this color. Oh, it's right here. That's not cool. But I'm just going in with an E40 blending brush and the shade Summer Yum out of the Sweet Peach palette. I'm eating these brownies, so that's probably why I think it looks so terrible. May not look that bad. Let me know your thoughts. At least I can see what's going on. So this side is gonna need to be blended off some more because this side actually looks pretty terrible. And things might not look as terrible as I think they are. It might be because I've been eating pot brownies, but hey, we gotta get it to what we like. Oh, thank you. Gab just turned on the fans. I was over here hot. Just wiping the Summer Yum shade back and forth like windshield and circle, circle, circle. So do you guys actually enjoy putting on eyeshadow? Like, do you wear it on an everyday basis or not? Personally, I don't find myself wearing eyeshadow. If I am gonna wear anything on my eyes, it might be like a bronzer so it can look like I tried. But like if we're going out, like out, I'm gonna put on eyeshadow, like the whole shebang. And I guess with eyeshadow, I don't know. Cause you can really either F up your makeup look, you know what I mean? But I feel like lashes fix everything, so I don't really know. So now we're gonna go in with our Modern Renaissance palette, Real Gar, and we're gonna go in with like a smaller brush. We wanna add color, but we kinda wanna like diffuse color, if that makes sense. Add color, but diffuse it. And we're gonna add it to that crease area. So I'm currently just taking that Real Gar from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is like an orangey shade. And we're just brushing it back and forth to further blend out the color. So now that we have that, we're gonna go in with like a clean fluffy brush and kind of diffuse the edges. Right, so I'm actually gonna go in with a bit of this red ochre. And I'm gonna put it in our like side crease areas. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our crease. To cut our crease, we're gonna take some of our Tarte. So I put it on my lid, and now I'm gonna like look up and then look around, because wherever it lands is where I'm gonna put it. let's take Puree. It's a boring, bland shade. It might be okay. Let's just see what it looks like. I mean, it's not bad. It looks like a rose gold, so we can go with it. Yeah, I've been using, my foundation routine has been the same. I've been using the Rihanna primer. And it's like really nice and creamy, like really creamy. And then we could just set this, cause why not? Summer Yum to my bottom lid. Then I need to go find that red, guys. Guys, I found my red one. So I'm gonna use the Take Me Back to Brazil. And I need like a diffuser type of brush. We're gonna just take that red shade. That looks totally better.
West side, man from the gang. Top, nigga. And I can put that on status. Frog IP used to put that on status. Red strings in my chest though. All my niggas cut, crack, cut though.
Give it a little more contrast. Just get that eyeliner on there. Alright, so you really can't talk when you're doing that. We're gonna just use a clean brush and our black out of this, and then we're gonna lightly line the bottom waterline. Okay, so far I put on some Lily lashes. I actually got these from Marshall's, and then I put some Stila glitter in the color Diamond Dust in my inner tear ducts, so they're like glistening right now.
Girl, all the yeah.
Enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fit, and if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, that bitch is only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson. Cause I brought my